Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Warren County, Nash County, southeastern Granville County, northwestern Halifax County, Wake County, western Wilson County, central Johnston County, Franklin County, until 8 a.m. At 6:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Norlina to near Kitchell to near Creedmoor to near Raleigh to 6 miles west of Fuquay-Varina, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Rocky Mount, Roanoke Rapids, Henderson, Smithfield, Nashville, Lewisburg, Warrenton, and Wilson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 173 and 95. Interstate 85 between mile markers 208 and 233. Interstate 40 between mile markers 287 and 317. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 540 between mile markers 5 and 24. United States 1 between mile markers 94 and 101. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 38. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Franklin, Granville, Halifax, Johnston, Nash, Vance, Wake, Warren, and Wilson.